building, it says go to the center. Big old word for look at this. Oh, this is medicine. Turmeric.
Morning. Extra clean.
Ulu. My,
Maybe you'll see it while we walk along this thing. What's that? Those footprints stuff. Hala. La hala.
take a picture of the thing because it has Hawaiian words for each one. Jacob, I'm so glad that Jacob got the opportunity. At Lower High School, that he got to learn to make the Miley and play and stuff like that for their
Going that way?
May Day.
There's a map.
And that kind of tells
There's
you
a map.
things, but you'll see while you're driving. There's
There's a
so
map.
many opportunities.
She wants to wing it.
Yeah.
She gets lost with the map.
A nice car ride, even if they don't want to get out.
I think it's humid, so they don't move.
Oh, just enjoy the ride. It's, yeah.
I can spend days here just exploring.
Don't ever do any of these stuff again. Never.
Why?
Huh?
Thank you so much.
TJ got ripped off.
Right. They try to.
None of this may seem legit. If somebody can be a scammer.
Just
and try to
one
scam.
for a high school graduation. And it ended up, yeah.
Oh, no kidding.
Big scam.
Because there's a trail that goes down.
Mm-hmm. We're right here. So that's the trail that goes down to.
Look, here's the river. Or the spillway.
All right, Michelle, we're following you, tour leader.
Oh, no, I was just.
Going that way?
Yeah, just wing it. We get lost, we get lost. We'll find a, we'll find a,
Paved trail.
we'll find some pig or something, cook it up. Right?
Actually, we probably will run into a pig.
You think so? Running into a mountain, right?
Yes, that would be bad.
Or a brown bear.
It'd be bad for the slowest person.
Yep.
I'd be fine.
Oh, right by his house, there's a trail that we can walk. How far is it? Half a mile? Oh. So there's this, you cross the street at one point, and then there's this guy that feeds the stray cats there.
Oh yeah?
But there's these wild pigs that come and they go and hang out over there too.
Yeah?
Like 3.
They probably feed on the cats.
The cat food.
Yeah.
The cats are
And the
eating, and
cats.
the pigs are eating over there.
Oh,
too.
they're, the food runs out, they'll just eat the cats. All right. Yonder.
have all these.
All right, Michelle, where are we at?
We at Ho'omaluhia Gardens.
Okay.
Lara. Nah.
Acai palm.
For acai bowl.
Yeah, there they are. There's the things. It's the Fiorito.
Acai nut tree.
That's it, huh?
Acai.
Yeah. Pretty sharp.
I believe it.
Try them. Climb up the tree.
Jimmy, what? Control. There's no, what you call that? Where am I supposed to be over here? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe not. I don't see any damage. Outside.
Pandan, that's Filipino. Pandan. Let's walk in the forest. I don't know what she's picking.
The sign. I think she's gonna try and eat it.
And
I
I,
hope that's the right plant.
banana. Trying to eat them.
No, I'm gonna look and see what's inside.
Well,
How
come
is
in,
it?
come and do it for the camera.
See,
Come and do it for the camera. Hey, don't just
this is
hog
our
it for yourself.
acai.
Move forward closer.
Berry.
There you go.
Acai. So
Do you
hard.
peel it and put it in your drink?
I don't know how, but it's a hard shell. Bite, hon.
Let me see. No. Oh, wait. Nope. It's like a mini coconut. No, thank you.
Need a hammer for that.
Yeah, exactly. Brazilian guava.
No more guavas.
We're at the top. See the little ones?
Oh, nothing right though.
Yeah, right here.
Remember our houses there with guavas?
Yeah.
With Todd's house, get
Yeah.
all these guavas.
I got two kinds of guavas. It's like noni. No, it's not noni. I don't know what that is.
Liquid tray for the sign.
Yeah, I don't know. No idea. That's a palm tree.
Here, you want to hold this? And I can use my phone to get some more pictures. All I got to do is just keep it forward.
Can? Yeah. Ooh, fuzzy. Fuzzy wuzzy. Look how.
Bet. Oh, look.
Quachilote.
How am I gonna know if I actually, actually filming anything when it's all black?
It's got a nice wide screen. It's covering everything. Don't worry about it.
Oh,
And it's 5G coverage or whatever. 5K.
Aloha, welcome. Are you guys having fun?
Yes, we are. Thank you.
Great.
Are you?
Yes, I am.
I'm good.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Peach palm.
Yeah, I'll stay next to it. It's sexy.
I see some real fruit trees so I can climb on it. Ah, look at that. Rare, rare flowers.
Botanical garden.
Look at that, to the lake.